In this tutorial, we are going to explain how managing succession can help to conserve habitats. We agreed that conservation involves the protection and management of ecosystems. And in conservation terms, preventing an area from reaching its climate community can sometimes be a good thing. This is because ecosystems at the intermediate stages of succession, where small plants, grasses, ferns, or shrubs are present, will hold a distinct diversity of plant species, some of which may be of conservation importance, that would be no longer exist if the climax community was reached. These diverse plant species will also provide food and habitat for a high diversity of animal species, some of which may also be of conservation importance, such as the species that are rare or the species that have important ecosystem functions, such as pollinators, which are also of great importance to humans due to their role in pollinating the crops we consume. As a result, some conservation projects require artificial prevention of succession in order to preserve an ecosystem in its current stage of succession. This means that human activities will prevent or interrupt the process of succession in order to stop a climax community from developing. For example, moorlands provide habitats for many species of plants and animals. If succession was allowed to occur, this valuable moorland would be replaced by a climax community dominated by spruce forest, which cannot support the same species as the moorlands. This would mean losing these important species. Now, by having some areas where the climax community is allowed to develop and other areas where succession is prevented so that the moorland remains intact, both ecosystems can be maintained, giving a higher overall species diversity.